Chances go crypto investing on this Sunday morning, 5:47 a.m. Rise and shine as old Vincenzo sent a group text message by mistake to about 12 people from work about smoking the old ganja when it was supposed to go to somebody else. But that is for me to get made fun of and laughed at as I walk into work here in about 10 minutes. But you can see the Bitcoin price is waiting for a massive, massive breakout alert. And this is what this quick video morning technical analysis is about. We have a massive breakout potential of either a moonshot to 39,000 or a tank job to $19,278. And that's going to all culminate as we break out of this weekend. And this is going to move, and it's going to move fast. And I'm expecting this to move and to move big. As we move out of the weekend and as the markets start to open after this long holiday weekend, I expect a massive breakout in the Bitcoin price. And as soon as the volume starts to come back in, you can see after the big pump right here, the volume is almost to its mean low, which means eventually that's going to break and the volume's going to come in. And if it's sell volume, you're going to have a flash crash of 30.69%. But if you have the bulls come in, the buyers come in, the momentum come in, and the price to skyrocket, you could have a quick pump of nearly 41%, bringing the Bitcoin price to a nearly year and a half high at almost $35,000. So that's what or 39,000. So that's what I'm watching out for in the Bitcoin price. The XRP price is going to have the same kind of move, and it's going to be a pivot move, a big move, a quick move, and a move that's going to make people lots and lots of money or going to wreck lots and lots of people, because what we're looking at here is you're more than likely going to shoot straight up to 68 cents, which would be more than a greater than a 36% move to the upside, or if you break to the downside when the volume comes back in, you can see this is the same thing, volume declining, price is rising. As you do know, I think we're in a head and shoulders slanted topping reversal pattern. And then if we break to the downside, which eventually will come here, but if the volume comes in and you break to the downside, you could have a flash crash down to 37 cents. And that could be an industry exclusive measuring tool, 24% to the downside or 36% to the upside. If we look at Ethereum, Ethereum's in the same topping out pattern. I think Ethereum's next major breakout move is to 16,862, and that's what I'm forecasting, which would be an 8% drop. And then I'm expecting a swing low to come all the way down here and retest some of these lower lows of nearly 27 to 32% fall. Peace and love.